Can you tell me about Surah Fatiha?
Okay, let me tell you about it. Surah Al Fatiha is the first surah of the Holy Quran.
It has several names. The famous name is
Al Fatiha because it is the opening surah of the Holy Quran. It is likewise called Suratul Salat because
it is recited in each rakah of the prayer.
its other name is Suratul Munajat, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala teaches the method of supplication in it. In the surah, a servant praises Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, expresses his thankfulness to him, exhibits his obedience to him, and then prays for guidance. Surah Al Fatiha is a prayer of a servant,
And the entire Holy Quran
is the response of this prayer from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now I would like to read Surah Al Fatiha for you. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. Now go and learn the surah by heart. Take care. Jazakallah.